No cloud is so dark that the sun can't shine through. I partially agree and partially disagree. Reason being, because the cloud is all made in our mind. If we don't pass it through the sunshine, we will not let it pass. We have to open our mind. We have to open the cloud. We have to make this cloud softer to let the shines pass, let the rays pass. If we take it into our human context or the thought context, you if you go literally, then sometimes it becomes dark, yet it is become a dark. So sunshine or sunlight does not pass through. It happens. The same thing happens in human people, we humans' life, in our mind. If I'm not ready to listen to somebody, I don't let somebody give a chance to enter in my life. Of course, I will not, because I'm not ready to accept I'm a dark cloud. If I will make myself softer, I will give him or her benefit of doubt. Let her pass. The sunlight or sunshine or the advice into my life, you never know, the life will change. But when I feel like I'm the one who knows everything, I think I'm an arrogant person. Okay, I know my life better. And somebody mentioned about the book. In a book, you understand more people. You understand one book is written by one person sometimes, but it's about so many people. One book talks about many people's life. So that's what, when somebody enters into our life, he is not only talking about one person's life or his life only, he's talking about his experience with many people around us. We have such clouds in our lives which are built by us, which are our thoughts, which are rigidness, which are our arrogance, which is our arrogance. And we don't let the sign or the shine or the sunlight passes through, or the advices of people's passes to make our better life better. So make yourself humble, make yourself calm, make yourself softer. Trust me, light will pass, light will enter, life will be better. Thank you so much. Back to you, sir.